June ni som pasari sang ni som ni paruk ani G7 summit France nei mek ania he G7 summit an nei na hianin Donald Trump patsuanin Iran afaka Israel aron soisel tat maya ni abik takin an Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu po ron kaple deu tat maya Trump atu soi hi apoi mo ni he hi kan soizao nga kan ria kang tumi ma chuan he kan en holo kang
ihun nei na zirlo wangin ini saman lo ni mai thei I har sana chingfel turin Titan RK construction an ome I boipui ngai mi lovin soil test le building permit an boipui sak thei cha civil engineer architect monitoring na noya in hun lai atanga building sakzo thlengin an tho sak thei che ani tin I inchung chau chei that edu point red niam takin an khoi sak thei bok che chu mai ba ka ceiling specialist an nia biak in le ko han building a red niam te in an siam sak thei boke I building hui to tak kha thia kher ngai lovin athom that na column strengthening retrofitting anti thei boke RK construction 8837 333
RK construction te in lo dor ve cheu don yo le tuna zonin in han reactan don ila
We're dealing with people that I think are very rational people.
We're dealing with people that are very rational people. Ran tita mai ni kaka Iran chungchang asoina ani engi atu soi kha omji kan ti chuan Trump hian in tuna Iran nena Iran IO US te nena in rem na siam tuma indoor mek Iran IO te hi heng te mi pa ngai tak tak ani ti in Trump hian in comment aron pe dei mai ani rin lo lutuk mai in achan chu Iran soi sel na sa thina tuna hian in Iran aron fakle de thut boxia engi omjia Iranin deal an siam ngai theina turatan hetiang hianin Iran shroi tu te hi aron fak ani thei mayem Trump hianin politics a khel ani thei mayem ti te pokha zona om theia amaro chu khatianga Iran ram shroi tu te a fak rol khan Trump hianin Iran hianin kan du da nanga deal an sign lo chuan Juni som pakwa Switzerland an sign lo chuan kan bom chunzom leng ti in Trump hianin Iran te chu warning te khan pele loyani mo
Surprising turn of events today as President Trump praised Iranian leaders while slamming his closest ally in the Middle East.
Kan soi thin, kan soi liang. Middle East United States thian thaber angangai Israel hi Trump hian in aron soi sele tlat
I'm not happy with the way Israel has handled themselves with.
I'm not happy with Israel la kana lom lo ani Israel te hi an chet dan an mani anin enkol dan te anuwa Trump te Iran te tiang deal an sign don nuwa Israel lampangin keni ramchu ramzalen kan nia United States le Iran te na deal an siam tur hian min ti boilo ti ang zonga comment an ron nei awang te pok khanin ani mai theiani Trump ai hetianga an trong chuale ne
Lebanon.
This is what angered him. Israeli strikes on Beirut Sunday aimed at rooting out Iran-backed Hezbollah fighters.
Sunday khan Israel pang chuanin Lebanon ko Beirut sim lama Hezbollah te kha an beile a khati an be awang khanin Iran khan phubala kan tuma amaro chu United States lampang khan Iran kha phubala lo tur khanin an thlem thean thlem dai the timeng amaro chu khati ngani nu po khanin Trump hi Israel ka hianin ala lung oil lo chun zom zelani khatiang Israel te an che ta wang khanin Iran hianin deal kha an siam du lo pha ve theya kha Trump kha lung oil lo hle ani
The Iranians said the ongoing fighting in Lebanon could jeopardize their fragile new agreement with Trump.
Israel's fighting Hezbollah too long.
Israel te hianin Hezbollah te hi an beirei to lo tukani aton te ne an beirei to khop mai
And too many people are being killed.
mitam takin nun na an chan to
And you don't have to knock down an apartment house every time you're looking for somebody.
ka poi mo khop mai Trump tu soi khamo mi pakhat khat in zonga in zon mu nuwa tha in tuma khatia tha in tuma wang khanin mi pahni khat lek tha in tuma wang khanin building zong khati chiat vek kha atul kher hlei nem ti in Trump hian te hian in comment aron siam ani direct taka Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu te chet dan direct takin ting hian in G7 summit a khovelina angai event G7 summit a hian ting hian in trong chuak le pop mai ani Trump pu ye himo
Killed. And you don't have to knock down an apartment house every time you're looking for somebody.
But Israel's prime minister is vowing to keep forces in southern Lebanon as long as Hezbollah remains a threat.
Israel Prime Minister chuanin asipaite Israel Defense Forces te hi atrulani pho chuanin Beirut Lebanon chimlam Lebanon chimlam a hianin asipaite hi da renga tuma achan chu Hezbollah ten Israel mite Israel sipaite ron bay antuma an ron rigrap chung chu Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu hianin Israel sipaite hi Lebanon chimlama hianin da tum khop mai ani khat yang zong han thlir pui kha chuanin a hriat thiam om ve le tho Israel Prime Minister han thlir na te po hi mo
The struggle, he said, has not ended. Here
India Prime Minister pumodi po tela chuanin he Italy Prime Minister ania chuanin an han in biak na khanin tuna chuanin Instagram couple larber kan ni antia ni a chan chu a man lo mu to khanin kan PM modi hi zei ruve riawa melody ti sweet te kha an pe mo hang te na kha wa han lar riawa ni.
On Lake Geneva, Trump is insisting his new agreement will prevent Iran from ever getting a nuclear weapon. But the document has not yet been released.
A document kha chu an laron release chuang lawa maro chu hetia Trump G7 summit hetia vakal po hian asoi non na chu Israel Iran hianin nuclear ral thuam hi an nei don lo ti hi Trump hianin asoi non na seitong hanin document chu an la release chuang lawa Iran lampang hianin hetiang lampang hi an la ron soi chuang lawa ti chuanin hetianga G7 summit an nei na hianin Donald Trump hianin tia dokan an kal kwal vel pa khanin akal lak lo lai ha ding thut maya enge soin so de Trump ana asoi chu I'm the boss ti ni kathuber in boss kani pop maya ramdang roi tu te ma han ramdang roi tu te po han a fiam thu ni ti han reven yang chu han lo nui dara borok chu light ang reng khom mai hetia meeting an nei na hi chu mo
ever getting Republicans say they're withholding judgment.
I think we'd all like to see the terms of the memorandum and hopefully end up with a real deal.
With the Strait of Hormuz starting to reopen, the price of oil fell below $80 a barrel today for the first time in 3 months.
Thathum nuwa avoid khana tan oil man hepo atlan hiam to ani oil man san tak lai ha chuanin barrel khata khanin US dollar za te po ha pela za som ni te po han ni thuak man in do wang lai tak phei ke chuan maro chu tu na chuanin barrel khat US dollar som riat velen le to ni chu ding ni hi chuanin zoi in petrol man te po hi atlan hiam ve tur anga ila election te zo to boka.
But most shipping companies appear to be watching and waiting, despite Trump's assurances that it's safe.
Strait of Hormuz hong to an tia amaro chu long tam tak long nei tu company tam tak te hi chuanin tuna hianin an long te an lakal tir chia lo niin alanga Trump te hianin a himani ti in soi to ma se hang long nei tu company te kha chuanin angoro kan lo la en thli thai photang e ti in an la soi vele thungani.
Ships are starting to move now. We're going to have it fully open by Friday. The ships are starting to move nicely.
To hen an chan to zir to pa hianin fully open atia zir to pa hianin full an hon thei kha in ring de wen be sei de unge mani.
Trump says the strait is going to reopen toll-free as it was before, but the Iranians claim they're going to start charging new service fees. Just one example of the many conflicts that remain, even though the fighting has stopped, Tony.
In the top to amaro chu US lampang hianin Strait of Hormuz hi honani anga tin Oman te Iran lampang te hianin engma poisa an la lawang longa tang te khan ti ani amaro chu Iran lampang hianin service fee mo tol pon chi da service fee hi lak an latuma khang kha la soi fel tur ni in alanga ni la soi fel ngai ni in alanga ni US lampang khan te khan engma tol po tu man an lawanga tu ram mai na lawanga longte an kal tang ve kang anti lai khan Iran lampang chon service fee kan la don anoti tat maya kha thil kha chu United States lampang te du dan lo ani don chan chu United States lampang te kha chuan in Indo ma a thil om ang Indo ma thil om dan pa nga yang tak khan ingkim kha kaltir le kha an duwa amaro chu Iran lampang khanin advantage ala kan duwa ti chuan in Trump pa chuan in Iran an pom chiat chak to zong khang building poimo ang chi zong te kha sak that len ha le amo phurtu kan ni lo poisa po kan pe don lo ti ang zonga a soi kha news pa thang han kam huwa khatiang ani te phei ka chuan in Iran ma bak chu ko ve viawa chan chu US lampang khanin an bom chene lu to ka heta interview an nei na hianin Trump thu soi pa kha chu ramdang te kha lemin anti el de uboka an el sen de uboka ni Strait of Hormuz a khan Iran Navy tam tak long tam tak hi in riat mi lo lai khanin kan kapil na sa ani riat po in thak her lawang kan kapil na san che chu ti in Trump hian in ramdang phôi tu te om lai ha khan soi le deu pop mai ani hi chu a tong hoi ti deu pung amaro chu tun hi min thlen puya a thave ang rang khop mai ala khati zong kha tum news atana kan han rieka kan han soi zau thei chu ani video le kan han im hule theu video le kan im hule theu don ni